Fine-tune model on SageMaker. Steps. Name. Set up SageMaker environment. Description. Launch an Amazon SageMaker notebook instance or set up your environment in SageMaker Studio. Tasks. Launch notebook instance. Configure IAM roles. Set up SageMaker Studio. Name. Prepare dataset. Description. Prepare and upload your dataset to an S3 bucket. Ensure the dataset is in the correct format, e.g. JSONL. Tasks. Upload data to S3 bucket. Name your S3 bucket name. Path to your dataset. JSONL. Name. Create SageMaker training job. Description. Configure and launch a SageMaker training job to fine-tune the model. Tasks. Create training script. Specify training parameters. Launch training job. Name. Create training script. Description. Create a training script to load the pre-trained model and fine-tune it using your dataset. Tasks. Create script file. Filename fine-tune script.py. Content. Import OpenAI. Import SageMaker. From SageMaker, PyTorch import PTorch. Model OpenAI. Load your fine-tuned model name. Train data S3, your S3 bucket name path to your dataset. JSONL. Hyperparameters epochs 3, batch size 16. Learning rate 0.0001. Estimator PTorch entry point fine-tune script.py. Role your SageMaker role. Framework version 1.5.0. Instance count 1. Instance type ML. P2. Extra large. Hyperparameters. Estimator. Fit training train data. Name. Specify training parameters. Description. Set up hyperparameters and resource configurations for the training job. Parameters. Framework. PTorch. Framework version 1.5.0. Instance type. Milliliter. P2. Extra large. Instance count 1. Hyperparameters. Epochs 3. Batch size 16. Learning rate 0.0001. Name. Launch training job. Description. Use the SageMaker Python SDK to launch the training job with the specified parameters. Tasks. Execute script. Script. Import SageMaker. From SageMaker, PyTorch import PTorch. Estimator PTorch entry point fine-tune script.py. Role your SageMaker role. Framework version 1.5.0. Instance count 1. Instance type ML. P2. Extra large. Hyperparameters epochs 3. Batch size 16. Learning rate 0.0001. Estimator. Fit training S3. Your S3 bucket name path to your dataset. JSONL. Name. Monitor training job. Description. Monitor the training job status through the SageMaker console or CloudWatch logs. Tasks. Monitor job status. View logs in CloudWatch. Name. Deploy fine-tuned model. Description. Deploy the fine-tuned model to an endpoint for inference. Tasks. Create model endpoint. Configure endpoint settings. Name. Test and validate. Description. Test the deployed model to ensure it meets your requirements and validate its performance. Tasks. Run inference tests. Validate model performance. Name. Clean up resources. Description. After fine-tuning, clean up AWS resources to avoid unnecessary charges. Tasks. Delete SageMaker endpoint. Deletes 3 bucket.